We've also got some light and misty conditions. Weekend rain chances means it's an impact day for you on Saturday. The impact will be moderate to heavy rainfall rates that come in to bring in some good steady showers through the overnight hours. Then varied rain amounts expected because we've got a better flow going right over the mountains and western foothills. This is where we'd expect more, getting closer to the 1.5 inch mark, if not up to 2 inches. And then outdoor activities, we've got mainly wet roads out there. I think the tennis courts will be mostly wet early morning, as well as the golf courses kind of soggy out there. So this is not going to be a great day to get out and about, at least early. We could have some drier spots as the winds come up through middle of the day where you can get out and do some more errands, and it's going to feel pretty good. So I think you'll be able to get a walk in parts of the Piedmont Triad in between the rain. But 35 degrees on Sunday for folks in the mountains, and I think we're going to struggle to get up into the 50s. We may have to lower that a little bit more for folks around the Piedmont Triad. Now, Panthers football game, 71 degrees by late afternoon with rain chances still in play and an isolated storm or two. Some of our forecast models want to take this front end and move it out a little bit sooner, but we still have some straggler showers and an isolated storm or two right ahead of the front, and that's going to be the trouble. Post game, some showers are still possible there as well. You're looking at the showers right now beginning to move in from the southwest and moving to the northeast. So that flow is pretty consistent and it's strong. We've got flood watches that have come up for parts of Tennessee now, and just to our south and west, northern parts of Atlanta. As we go south, we've got tornado watches for folks in Mississippi. Light showers are the only issue that we have at the moment. You can see right now from Walberg through Kernersville, this is our 920-foot scan, and here's what's coming. That flow takes a lot of that rain right overhead. We've got certainly good water values coming in. We've got lots of water vapor imagery showing you that we've got good consistent moisture to lift overhead. And with it, the front here just to the west becoming stationary, we're kind of in that open zone now that we got that warm front lifting north earlier. We have more of this flowing overhead, and you can see it here. We've got some small storms aloft too that are helping to produce the showers that you see in place now, and then several storms aloft that are going to help to continue to bring in that rain threat through the overnight hours and then at times late tomorrow afternoon. Also the mid-level jet stream wind speed, you can see where we've got some of the strongest energy, all of this kind of flowing from the south to the north, and that's going to bring in a good decent opportunity for some enhanced rainfall. We also have this low-level jet stream. You can see it here just spinning up as we look ahead for the forecast through the overnight hours. It just starts to get consistently stronger, and we bring in moisture with that too. So good opportunity for upper 60s to near 70 tomorrow. The winds start to come up. We could see gusts as high as 30 miles an hour in the Triad and about 15 to 25 in the foothills with 65 there. Impacts for you all the way through the afternoon into early evening for the Triad, but we drop them off by about 4 or 5 o'clock in the mountains. Still, the winds are going to be intense and starting to cool right behind the front. So the rain chances, though, starting to drop by late evening tomorrow in the Triad. Notice the hour-by-hour forecast, some heavier showers and pockets of downpours that could bring in an isolated storm for us between 9 and even 11 a.m. Our HRRR forecast model still wanting to bring in very active weather and some heavier rain out to the west that could total up 1.5 inches to 2 inches in those zones. Here's that flow south to southwesterly, and that keeps our pattern in the upper 60s to near 70. That is until we hit your Sunday, where all that cool, dry air moves in. Rainfall totals pretty impressive out there, 1/2 inch to light totals as we go east. A few folks in the eastern Triad and out near Troy might miss out on the rain. 50 degrees on Sunday at best, but chilly upper 40s for much of the day, also on Monday. And then cold again Thursday with low 40s and a rain chance of 40%. Could be wintry in spots, especially like the mountains. We'll keep you posted.
First Warning Radar, the Triad's only local live radar, exclusively on WXII 12 First Warning Weather.